Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth reviews of the hottest products on the market. Today, we've got something truly exciting for all you adventure seekers and pirates at heart. We're diving into the world of treasure hunting with the Lost Loot DIY Pirate Scavenger Hunt game. But before we set sail, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest reviews. Now, let's get right into it. The Lost Loot DIY Pirate Scavenger Hunt game is not just your ordinary board game. It's an immersive treasure hunt experience that will transport you to the high seas in search of Goldbeard's lost treasure. This game is perfect for kids and families alike, and it's available right now on Amazon. But what sets it apart from the rest? Well, let's break it down for you. Inside the box, you'll find a treasure trove of components, including clue cards, skeleton toy keys, and a treasure chest. But here's the twist. You need to find and insert all 5 skeleton keys into the chest simultaneously to unlock the precious jewels within. It's a challenge that will keep you on your toes. With more than 100 indoor and outdoor clue cards, the adventure possibilities are endless. You can customize each game by hiding the keys in different places, ensuring a unique and exciting experience every time. But Lost Loot isn't just about following clues, it's also about fostering creativity in children. It encourages them to think on their feet, stay active, and use their imagination to create thrilling pirate scenarios. Looking for the perfect activity to keep the kids entertained during holidays, birthday parties, playdates, or just a fun day at home? Look no further. Lost Loot is the ultimate solution and makes for a fantastic Christmas gift. Now, let's take a look at what some of our viewers had to say about Lost Loot. Sandy Blanchard writes, "Key and jaw broke with first use." Sandy, we're sorry to hear that you had trouble with the key, but it's essential to remember not to force it. In conclusion, the Lost Loot DIY Pirate Scavenger Hunt game is an exciting and creative way to bring the adventure of treasure hunting right into your home. While there have been some quality concerns with the keys, the endless fun and imagination it brings to the table make it a great addition to any family game night or party. So, if you're looking for the best Roblox Pirate Games experience in the real world, make sure to check out the Lost Loot DIY Pirate Scavenger Hunt game on Amazon. Thanks for joining us on this treasure-filled journey today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your fellow adventurers. Until next time, stay curious and keep exploring with Product Critique. Follow us on social media for more exciting product reviews and updates. See you next time.